Good afternoon, students. How are you? Today we will have an unusual lesson because we'll speak about holidays, traditions, and the customs of Great Britain. Learning objective of that lesson is to develop speaking and listening skills using the context they know, enrich students' knowledge of English holidays, traditions, and the customs. Okay, so every country and the nations has their own traditions and the customs. It's very important to know traditions and the customs of different people, especially if we want to know their language. Besides, they are very important in the life of English people. They are proud of their traditions and they keep them up carefully. That's why we're going to know about British holidays today. As we know, there are several holidays in the year, and today we'll talk about only late autumn, winter, and the early spring holidays in Britain and the traditions connected with them. Okay, at first, read this text, work with presentation, and answer some questions about this text. Let's start work with vocabularies. Listen how to read these words. Decorate, сәндеу, chimney, мұржа, celebrate, тойлау, neighbor, көрші, costume, костюм, guest, қонақ, knock, қағу, threat, қауіп, turkey, күрке тауық, and the sock, шолақ. You must learn these words. Next lesson. Let's begin our game time. Now look at the presentation and answer some questions about pictures. Every holiday has its own symbol or emblem. And your task will be to find the emblem and the same holidays. First picture is Halloween. Second picture is Valentine's Day. Third picture is birthday. Fourth picture is Easter. Fifth picture is New Year, and the last picture is Remembrance Day. Let's do exercise true or false. First sentence, Halloween celebrated on December 31st. This is false. On New Year, the children knock the door of their neighbors and say trick or treat. This is false. Valentine's Day celebrated on February 14th. This is true. Santa Claus comes on Thanksgiving Day. This is false. On Valentine's Day, many people send cards to people they love. This is true. And the New Year Day celebrated on December 31st. This is true. Reflection, message method. It's high time for us to draw the line of our lesson and to write what you have done at this lesson and what you're learning to do. At this lesson, we know. Now I can. I want to know more about. Okay, conclusion. Home task. Your homework for the next lesson is learning new words and write essay about traditions and the holidays of Kazakhstan. Students, thank you for your attention. The lesson is over. Goodbye.